James, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. No. Oh my gosh.
What? He peed all over the...
No, he's taking off his shoes and have...
Mañana es...
Tomorrow is 4th of July, 2017. And 2 days ago, both?
Okay.
2 days ago, it was your uncle and aunt's wedding. They got married in the city of Camarillo, and it was so beautiful. Super, super fancy. And just...
And then we came back to reality yesterday. Go to work! Work. And that's it. We just got out of work. Natalie's still working.
I'm still working.
This is working for her.
This is my job. I'm about to drop off this little monkey here. Yeah, but what was I gonna say? Oh, look at my beautiful ring.
You have to zoom in 5 billion.
It shines so pretty, baby. Really. Wait. So yeah, we are actually gonna go to the movies in the city of Monrovia because your daddy, I don't know, because your daddy has been wanting to go to the movies for a long time, and something always comes up. We are like super busy all the time. We're busy even before we had you kids. I'm the type of people that like.
Someone asked you to go somewhere today?
No.
Oh.
I'm the type of people if like somebody invites me somewhere like there, like I don't make any other plans. I don't make any other plans, and then I try to like be there on time. Well, try because about the time part. That's so. And I'm pretty sure when you guys come aboard, it's gonna be even more crazy. Sí, sí me van a entender, pero sorry, es que se me salió por hablar inglés. Yo creo que porque tengo aquí a James y solamente le hablo en inglés, porque no habla español. Pero sí, I'm just rambling. Y vamos a ir al cine a ver Wonder Woman y a ver si tu papá me invita a comer.
Ya tiene meses que salió la película. Tu mami está dropping off James en su casa y yo estoy esperando en el calor, como siempre. Miro arriba porque ahí tengo una pantalla que me puedo mirar. Dando que sudo. Antes trabajaba aquí. Swinnerton.
We just arrived at Little Monrovia. Well, it's not called Little Monrovia, but Monrovia. This little old town is very cute. It's very like old-fashioned type of buildings.
Pienso que Will Ferrell hizo una movie que es allá aquí.
I'm pretty sure a lot of people have recorded movies here. Baby, but you know what I was gonna tell you? Que te amo. Que te amo.
Oh, también te amo. We don't say I love you because I love you for us it's like it means nothing to me.
It's weak because Spanish is more passionate.
Ahí, quédate. Ahí estás bien. ¿Quieres una foto o video? Foto. Okay. ¿Foto? ¿Foto o foto? Foto. Okay. Hold on. Snap. That's cool. I'm recording and I took a picture.
Oh, I know you can do that. Baby, record it from this angle. Look, it looks pretty.
¿Qué angle?
Huh?
My angle or your angle?
Oh, but make sure not to tilt it because people can't tilt their camera, their laptop. Hey.
They better. If they want to see it the way we see it. Bam. It looks old, pero se mira bonito adentro. No, semi bonito.
Movie tickets. Doesn't want to focus. Okay, there we go.
It looks like reversed.
Oh, it might be reversed.
Take a selfie? I've never seen a sushi place that sells macaron.
Okay, baby, let's order first, no? Because we need to mark it here. Which I wanted to see what time we close on Tea Place. I wish we could try something else. See, they don't even have a California roll here. Which is like, oh, on this side, no cookies. That way, they take the order is by here, baby.
Alright, I'm gonna have a California roll and a avocado roll.
Outside they say it's $4. They lie.
No, it's $4.50.
California roll, what else?
And avocado roll. It's in the vegetable one.
Water with lemon, please, for me.
I can also get a water, please.
I kind of wanted to try something new since I'm paying for it. Well, actually, I don't know.
Now you don't because you're paying for it.
No, because I was eating the amount of popcorn. I just ate the Starbucks.
Start with the drinks today. Oh, we got half hours for it. Thank you.
Because I ate the sandwich from Starbucks, the popcorn. I see, it's just pura porquería que comí. I should have waited.
Popcorn.
You took it away from me.
Yeah, because you were dividing it.
What if we get something for later on when we get hungry? Like
Yeah, that's what right now.
like a teriyaki bowl.
Not something simple. But we're not gonna get. We're not gonna get later after. I mean, we're gonna get this like a mal hambre.
And then later on when we get hungry?
We'll eat something.
Again?
I mean, something small again. Just do something small instead of big one time.
Then let's just order that. 2 California rolls and a California.
2 California and 1 avocado.
Yeah. I wanted to see what time they close at Tea Place.
Something enough?
Es para calmar el hambre, para engañar el hambre.
So these are for you. These are for me.
They can't see what you said.
These are for you?
No, these are for you, Dad, and these are for me.
There you go.
Okay, bon appetit.
Cold Stones. Your grandpa will tell you the story of the day he got ripped off at Cold Stones. One day mejor lo agarramos grabando. We'll record him talking about his story.
Well, don't he like to talk about that story?
Yeah, it's funny. Yeah, he learned a valuable lesson. Kids do not need ice cream from Cold Stone.
Let's find shade. Green light. See, it's Monrovia Public Library, but I think it's closed. You wanna
Shade,
play with me?
shade. So it's closed? You got so mad you destroyed this car?
Yeah.
Nah,
Right.
it only has the hood open.
Oh, I wish we could have brought unos sabanitas que nos dije, where shall we go?
Donde caiga.
So tired. Baby, ya lo rompiste. Yeah, put it in the middle.
Put it back.
Why?
That's how it was.
Why did you fold it like this?
Why do you think I put it here? And at the end.
It's still dark.
These are Mexicans.
No, it's about the lighting. Porvo. Oh my god. A little bit of food. Come on, I feel like taking a little nap, power nap. We'll go get us our tea, my tea actually, because I don't like tea.
Getting out the shoes. White socks, black shoes.
You can record my purse. Let's do a video. What's inside my purse? Yeah?
I don't think our kids want to care about that.
Yeah, trust me. Like, you got have a mommy
Yeah.
when she was single. Okay.
If we have our boys, they don't care.
Ready? Focus on the
Like,
items, baby.
¿No tienes dulces?
Okay, first of all, deodorant. Yeah, that's it. Girly stuff only.
And that's only 1% of what she actually owns.
This is the only place that I have. Nah.
Tenía un chingo de bolsas.
But I like to switch it up. Last week I was using the one that your daddy brought me. He bought it for me at Puerto Vallarta. But he didn't want to buy me anything.
Because they were cheap material. Thought it would rip on you because you put a lot of stuff in the bag.
I do. That's why I like to carry small purses, because I can't really put a lot of junk that I don't end up using. Shoes.
Why?
Seriously. No, show them.
They're good. No comen. No
Because like he hates buying new shoes. But they're all raggedy.
They have to completely be destroyed and died.
Look at this.
Now I could just cut this.
No, but look at the inside. It's starting to talk. They're getting hungry up in here. And look at this.
Hey, that's part of it.
Baby, seriously, you need to take care of your feet. You know why?
Because they're awesome.
Because your feet are precious. They're what hold. Like.
No wonder it hurts. Look at that.
Let me see. Exactly, baby. You need the support. Seriously.
The support. Aquí tengo soporte. You want to learn how to do a push-up? Like this.
No, that's not how you do it. This is how you do a push.
Oh yeah, in the future I'm not gonna have hair. And it's not that I went to the future and I found out. It's that the grandpa is bald.
Genetics, kids.
Genetics. So I have it long because I want to use it as much as I can until the day comes. Me echo un pedo de Christmas.
Ay, cochino.
Let me know.
Okay.
Oh, ya se me empezó a oler.
Ay, huele a frijoles quemados. Ugh.
Recording you guys.
You gonna go to Vegas?
It's Teddy, Laura's brother Raul, and Laura's brother Rafael.
Hola.
This is the first time they're gonna go to Vegas.
We're excited.
But Teddy's not going. He's too excited.
Poor Daddy.
What is it? What is it, Teddy? It's time for what? Huh? What is it time for? What? What? What are you looking for? What? What is it? What is it? What? Treat time? It's treat time? Where's the treat? Where's it? Where's it, Teddy? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, it's right here? It's right here? Mmm. His treats? His treat time? Sit. Teddy, sit. Paw. Teddy, paw. Okay. Down. I ain't gonna say roll over here. Bang, bang. No. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. No. Bang, bang. Okay, good boy.